Do like, yo,
Well, this is the
generated $50,000 in ad revenue plus in addition.